How to take a screenshot in Windows. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can take a screenshot in Windows. The first method is to take a screenshot instantly. For that, you want to press Windows key, press print screen. Windows will instantly capture your entire screen. The screenshot is automatically saved in Pictures and Screenshots folder. Next method is using the snipping tool. For that, just press print screen. Snipping tool opens at the top of your screen with capture option. You will see screenshot mode toggle, shapes, rectangle window, full screen freeform. You can select whichever you prefer. Click and drag to capture your selected areas, or you can also select the full screen option. Now, this is going to be copied in your clipboard. You can paste it directly into Paint or Word. In this way, you can easily take a screenshot in Windows. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.